Hi, this is Dana, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Collaborate rooms for individual students as well as for groups. So the individual Collaborate rooms need to be made for week 3, and you can make group Collaborate rooms as well for weeks 4 and 5. So you're going to make all of those rooms in Blackboard Collaborate. So you go to Blackboard Collaborate and you want to create a session. When you create the session, you're going to name it individual students' names. So we'll say this is Jane's room. Right? And it's usually use first names, right? So Jane's room. And then you're going to get an option to change the guest role. You want to make sure all of your students are moderators, not just presenters, because as moderators, they will get the ability to actually make the recordings, right? So we want our students to be able to be moderators so they can make recordings, right, in the individual Collaborate rooms. You want to have no end to your session so that it's open-ended so they can record and re-record and have access to it. Your session settings, you want to make sure that you allow recording downloads for these particular recordings so that they can actually record their sessions, right? And then you're going to hit save, and you're going to save Jane's room and that room's available. You'd use the same process to create a group room. So you're going to go here, you're going to create that new session. We'll say this is for group 1, right? So group 1 Collaborate rooms. Now you can make Collaborate rooms in the group area as well, but for this particular assignment in week 5, you want to make sure that the group rooms are visible to everyone, right? So we want to make sure that they're in the actual Collaborate area, not in Collaborate in groups, right? You're going to do the same thing here. You're going to make everyone a moderator so they can actually record. You're going to make an open-ended session, no end to your session, right? And when you go to session settings, you're going to allow for recording downloads, right? And make sure you check that as well so that they can record. And you're going to click save. So this will be important to show your students where their group rooms are for actual posting for the group assignment, where they can practice, though, when they're in the group areas, right? When they're in their groups for working out the details for their weekly assignments. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to one of the online fellows, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.